Welcome back. It is Free Tech Tuesday, and the subject that we're going to talk about today, I have been waiting a long time to talk about on our YouTube channel. So, the topic today is the big elephant in the room, and it's probably a very controversial subject that you're going to see on the internet, and that is, can I use a drone for drone mapping and to be able to do drone mapping surveying? Very controversial, and everybody has an opinion out there. So I am going to give you my official opinions and recommendations, and you can do what you want with that. But I feel that I really want to get this out there to as many people as possible. There are a lot of people on the internet giving bad information, and there's companies out there that have a lot of misleading ads and try to make the drone industry and specifically drone mapping a very kind of glamorous money-making machine that anybody can do regardless of circumstance. And that's what I've seen a lot of ads, and I want to clarify what my thoughts are. So, Steel City Drones as a company has 3 different drone mapping online courses. We also do in-person drone mapping training here once a month at our facility. So, and we also have a lot of people calling us up wanting to buy a drone from us to start using a drone for mapping. We try to be as transparent all the time up front with everybody. And we put these in our online courses to talk about as a subject, right at the very beginning of every class. With that said, you have to understand that there is no generalized statement that anybody can make about what you can do and what you can't do using a drone for mapping services. Because every state has their own statute laws. And those statute laws are not consistent at all from state to state. So you want to look at what the state's definition of what is called survey services and break that down. I'm going to give you some examples. In some states, you cannot even use a drone to collect the data for an orthomosaic. Some states you can. In some states, you can't collect the data for a survey type of a process that is going to be used as a final deliverable that a surveyor has to sign off on. In some states, you can collect the data, process the data, but once you start using bases, like a base station, a rover, checkpoints, and specifically also doing measurements specifically, then that becomes where it gets very tricky that it is not legal to do in some states. So the best advice I can give you is don't listen to anybody if they try to give you blanket statements. You can do this, you can't do that. There's 2 ways to go, in my opinion. If you want to do this professionally, if you want to be able to advertise your services on a website, and you don't want to get into legal problems or potential problems, one of 2 things. Hire a lawyer and have them research the actual laws for you very specifically, and that way they can give you a formal professional recommendation that they can stand behind. Because if you're getting advice from a lawyer and that lawyer gives you bad advice, well, they are legally liable for any potential issues. That is absolutely the best way to go. Undoubtedly. If you don't want to do that, or let's say you can't afford to do that, you have to be able to research this on your own and be able to interpret each state's laws on your own and then go from there. But if you don't do either of those, you are going to take risks. And if you're willing to take those risks and accept responsibility that there could potentially be a problem down the line, that is your right. That is your opportunity to say, yeah, that is what I want to do. You're absolutely entitled to do that. But we want to give this information to as many people as possible because, like I said, I see so many people give bad advice or they just don't know what they're talking about. It is a complicated matter for sure. Like I said, in our courses and trainings, we talk about this very predominantly. It's be as transparent as possible, and specifically, before someone wants to buy a drone, they ask us, well, what do you think? I'm going to buy a drone for mapping. We talk about that and have these conversations. You're never going to see from us trying to mislead anybody just for a sale. We will never do that. We are here for the long run. We're not going anywhere. Thus, we want long-term relationships with customers, and we don't want people coming back and saying, you didn't tell us this or you gave us bad information. So with that said, I hope this helps. Now, going forward, if you have anything else that you would like to ask in the forms of whatever topic that you would like me to talk about, put them down in the comment section below. I will read every single one of them. And if I find it that it's something that everybody can learn from and it's appropriate, I will definitely add it to my list. So with that said, thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you soon.